So today I'm going to show you how to make this little mouse. It's so easy, and I'm sure that all of you have these materials at home. You need cardboard, a pen, glue, and scissors. First of all, we are going to cut a rectangle like this or similar, and you are going to stick the edges like this. Then you are going to cut 4 circles, 2 bigger and 2 smaller, and just stick it like this. Then we are going to stick it into the mouse. Like this. Now we're going to do the whiskers. You need 3 strips of paper like this and 1 little circle like this. Then you are going to stick the strips of paper like this and the circle in the middle. And you are going to stick it like this into the mouth. Now we are going to make the eyes. You take the pen and you are going to do the eyes. You can do the eyes with paper or drawing. I prefer drawing it. Like this. Now we're going to do the mouth. You can do it with paper or drawing. I prefer drawing. And you can do it wherever you want, like this. Now we're going to do the tail. You cut a rectangle like this or similar, and you are going to stick it in the back of the mouse. We stick like this, and we stick it in the back of the mouse. Back of the mouth like this. And this is the result. Is this not? Bye bye.